welcome back to the AAA MF YouTube channel. The last video we were in Monaco. Today we're at a secret location and we've got a very special video. We are in an RS6 and we have come along to VMAX 200. Let's introduce the organizer, Craig. Craig, welcome to the AAA MF YouTube channel.
Thanks. Hi.
Tell everyone at home what this event is, how long you've been doing it, and what we're going to do today.
Sure. Hi guys, I'm Craig Williams. I'm a director of Autovivendi Supercar Club. We've been running this event 17 years and it's a chance for sports, supercar and hypercar owners to test their car's top speed. Nowhere else in the country can you do this, and there's not many places in Europe or indeed the world you can do this. And we bring together cars and put them head to head and see how fast they go. We see how fast they get off the line.
And how many years you've been doing this?
We've been doing this 17 years now. This is our 17th
You're not old
year.
enough to have been doing this 17 years.
Oh, the greys are hiding under the cap.
Okay. So what speed do people get up to here?
Well, the fastest we've ever gone is 245 miles an hour. That was a Koenigsegg 1.1, driven by the Koenigsegg test pilot, Nicholas. Absolutely unbelievable day. And that was last year. Today, I think we've hit 210 in a modified Supra. The McLaren 720s are reliably hitting 205. They'll get a bit quicker. The Aston Martin DBS Superleggera, I think, is hitting 200. So, yeah, it's lots of fun to be had.
So we're going to try and hit 200 miles an hour today in this RS6. Do you think we're going to get there?
I think you'll get very close. It looks a stealthy weapon. It's got plenty of power, and you know, I think you've got a good shot.
Great, thank you. Well, thanks for inviting us.
Pleasure.
Why don't we now introduce the owner of this beast? Hi, Dapo.
Hi, Mark.
Welcome to the AAA MF YouTube channel.
Thank you very much indeed.
Tell people about this beast that we're going to drive today.
Well, my car's a Stage 2 RS6. It's a completely remapped ECU. It's got a special suspension, larger brakes, and it's putting out about 745 horsepower.
And what's the maximum speed you've done?
I've done 185 plus on this car, so I'm hoping I can reach 200 miles an hour.
You mean me?
Well, I'm hoping I can reach 200 miles an hour. Don't know about you. I hope you can reach 200 miles
I'm lighter than you.
Okay, that's true.
It's going to be easier.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to try and get to 200 miles an hour in this car. But we have a special co-pilot today as well. Let's introduce the co-pilot. Alex.
Are we hugging?
Welcome to the AAA MF YouTube channel.
Thank you for having me.
My pleasure.
It's a
my
privilege.
pleasure. Well, we've got a very special day today. We've got beautiful weather.
Perfect weather.
And we have a 200 mile an hour four-door estate.
Yeah.
And we're going to be racing this.
I mean, this is pretty insane hybrid, really. It kind of, to the eye, maybe not in this color, kind of looks like a family car.
Hybrid?
Yeah, a hybrid between a family car and a supercar.
Right. Yes. Well, I've done a video in the past with the RS6 and it got over 400,000 views. So there's a lot of love for this car. So that's why we brought it along today. Now, we're going to try and get to 200 miles an hour. How are you feeling about that?
Very confident.
Okay. So do you want me to start and you go as a passenger? See how you feel?
Yeah, you're going to talk me through it.
Yep.
Because bearing in mind the fastest I've ever driven is an astonishing.
70 miles an hour in the UK, yeah?
70 miles per
70
hour.
miles an hour, okay.
On the
so
M11.
We're going to try and do 200 miles an hour in this RS6. It is tuned to 750 brake horsepower. I think it's going to do it. It's got four-wheel drive. It's going to get off the lights really quickly. Off the lights, off the start line. So you're going to go as a passenger.
Yeah.
We've got a helmet for you.
Yeah, I need that helmet. I don't think I trust you, you know.
Carbon
I've
fiber
heard
helmet
all
for
about
you.
your driving.
Thank you very much. So we're going to start off. I'm going to start driving. We're going to do the 200 mile an hour attempt. And then if you're feeling up to it, you're going to try as well. How are you feeling?
I feel like I said, I feel confident.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is the seat in the right position? You're not too far away from the pedals.
I'm not that small. Thank you very much.
I didn't mean it like that. I just meant because it was adjusted for someone else. Oh, here we go.
OMG!
Speed limit exceeded. This doesn't even feel that fast. 160. All right, 40 more miles per hour to go. 170. 476. Oh.
I have no idea where the braking line is.
No, we don't.
Here it is, here it is, okay. So we'll know for the next time. He was right, you know, like when you don't know where you're braking and you don't know where the end is.
No, yeah, it's scary. Don't worry, don't beat yourself up about it. It's fine. You think you're going to reach 200 miles per hour?
No. I'm actually really nervous behind this facade.
Don't be.
Yeah, don't be.
Don't be.
Yeah. Right.
You ready?
No.
See the 200.
1, 2,
Feel the
3,
200.
go.
Be the 200.
Here we go.
Okay, we got 100.
What was that noise?
It said speed limit exceeded. Don't worry.
It says that noise was slow down. Okay.
150. You're good, you're good, you're good. 160. At least beat what you were before. 170, 172. Yep, okay, we're at 180 now. And brake it here. Alright,
What do we get to? What do we get to?
I think 190.
So we've just done the second run on our attempt to hit 200 miles an hour. When we came back in, someone said that there's a problem with the car. So we've got a mechanic on hand who's having a look at the issue. So why don't we go and join the mechanic now? Alexa, what seems to be the problem?
It seems like, well, it is. The front part of the under tray has come loose. It looks like we need a 10mm socket to fix this.
Yeah.
I don't have one on me, sadly. So has anyone got 10mm socket? Anyone? No, slight issue.
Slight issue, so I'm not sure we're going to be able to do a third run. And you were so excited.
I was actually really gearing myself up to do it.
Yeah, we're going to try and find a 10mm socket. We'll be back soon. I'm going to go up to a random person and ask if I can go in their car. Hi there. So we're filming for YouTube.
Okay.
And our car's broken down.
Oh dear.
Can I jump into yours? Can we film?
Yeah.
Nice. What is this, Turbo S?
Yes.
How much brake horsepower you got on this? Is it standard?
Yeah, standard.
Standard. We're in the 911 Turbo. So we're going to get in the 911 Turbo S for some bonus footage. Are we going to put the roof down?
No, we're not.
Okay, here we go, here we go.
You got your belt?
So what have we been up to today?
Just tracking the whole day out. I need to beat my 191.
191 so far.
191.
How many attempts have you had?
It's my 9th.
9th attempt?
Yeah. Still on the same tank.
Okay. Where's the speedo here? Here we go. 911 Turbo S. What are we?
Windows up.
Windows are up. You got 199. That was good. Huh?
Had 203 on the dial as well.
Oh, that was good. 199. That was better than me. 199 in the Porsche 911 Turbo S. That was fun. Guess what we got up to?
200?
199. And the girl that owns it is an ex-racing car driver. Let's go and talk to her. Okay, so I think I think more people should be following you on Instagram, seeing as you're a racing car driver. What's your Instagram?
FAM8. FAM8.
FAM8, that's easy. Golf Blue, Turbo S, 199. So, the under tray on the RS6 is broken and it's irreparable.
Nightmare.
As much as Alex tried to repair it with her 10-inch socket.
10 mil?
10 mil?
10 inch?
Yeah, 10 mil. Okay,
Talking about?
so behind us, what we actually have is a DBS Superleggera Volante, which is going to be launched at Goodwood. We're filming a week before Goodwood. However, if you look over there, Jay, there's an Aston Martin stand.
Hello.
So, we're going to be really cheeky and we're going to ask if we can take out an Aston Martin and drive 200 miles an hour in an Aston Martin.
Do you think they'll let us?
If you flutter your eyelids,
Please. I love Aston Martin.
let's go for it. Jay, follow us. Follow us for the journey. I don't think they're going to say yes, but it's worth a try, right? Jay, what do you think they're going to say?
Well, they've seen your driving, so they'll definitely say no.
Let's hope they've seen the channel. Let's hope they've seen the Triple 8 MF YouTube channel. Hi.
Hello, to meet you.
Hey,
I'm Will.
Alex.
Hey,
Hey, Will.
Lovely to meet you.
So I run a YouTube channel,
Okay.
Triple 8 MF. You've probably never heard of it.
That's not true.
So we came in an RS6 today, and the under tray is broken.
Ooh.
And we were wondering if you would allow us to take a car out
We
to
thought
do
just the cars. for
200
you.
miles an hour,
Yes,
just a
yes.
car.
Yes.
We noticed
She
you've
says
got
the sexy all
a
black
DBS Superleggera Volante.
Well, we'll have a look at that, but I'd love you to drive the new Vantage if that's possible.
The V8 Vantage.
We've got a couple of those, so you'd
I mean,
work well
if we
racing
have
those.
to.
Can you tell us the spec on that car?
So you're looking at 503 horsepower from there, the 4-litre bi-turbo AMG unit that we kind of fettled with ourselves.
So that's the V8
exactly
in the
yeah.
GTR.
Similar, yeah, 503 horsepower, so slightly reduced output from the GTR. But
So
very
that's the same
different
engine
sound.
in the RS6 essentially, 4-litre V8 twin turbo.
Similar makeup, but from different people, so
Yeah.
there'll be a change in characteristics.
And what's the official top speed on that car?
I believe it's 197. So not
197?
200,
So
but
we
maybe
won't
with-
reach the VMAX 200 then.
Maybe with a bit of wind behind you, if you're lucky.
How do you feel about 197?
I mean, I feel like I'm maximum going to be going at 120. Maybe 150, maybe 150 if I'm feeling confident. But no, I'm happy to be driving.
Can we be really cheeky and take two and race each other?
Ooh, okay, yeah. I'm not sure our insurers would like that, but we'll see what we can do.
Don't tell them.
No.
Don't tell them. Okay, so let's go out and see the cars, can we?
Of course.
Great.
Let's go out.
Right, Alex, how are you feeling about getting into your first Aston to do a top speed run?
I'm so excited because this is actually my dream Aston.
It's your dream car,
The colour,
V8
everything.
Vantage. Okay, how would you feel if I told you that I'm going to be racing you in that one?
I'd say you don't stand a chance, Mark.
I don't stand a chance. Okay, Jay, who do you think is going to win, Jay?
Me.
Your money's on Alex, yeah? Okay, may the best man win.
All right, let's do this.
You're on. We'll see you soon.
Eat my dust, Mark.
Go. 100%, go.
All right, we're doing this.
Keep going.
Whoa, what happened there?
Messed it up already.
Ah, no way! Yes!
Oh,
my
no!
God, look at
Keep going.
Steve, you're a legend.
Keep going.
Wow. What am I at? 150?
Keep going.
Oh my.
Long way back. It's about 10 miles
No
left.
way, he's buying me dinner tonight.
Keep going.
Wow.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Off. And now brake.
Damn it. What happened?
Oh wow, that felt.
Why didn't it change up?
You shifted.
Oh no! So it went into manual. No!
You have no
No!
idea how
She
happy I am
beat
about
me!
How does it feel to be beaten beaten by a first timer.
Sucks.
That was amazing.
No, I let you in for YouTube.
No, you didn't. No,
I let you in. No,
didn't.
I did.
Your
I let
ego
you
is
in.
far too big to have let me win.
Whoa! How was it? How was
It
it?
was honestly incredible. That car is so nice.
What did you hit? What did you hit?
I think I got to 180.
180?
Yeah.
I don't think I got to 180.
Did you not?
You definitely didn't
On
get
the
to
first,
180.
on the first one, I definitely did.
I got to 176.
Pretty sure I did.
So on the run where I was the first run, I pulled the gear lever on the first gear and then it goes into manual mode. So when it hit the rev limiter, it didn't change up a gear. Guys, you know what I'm talking about.
Excuses. Well,
Excuses.
look, I'm just so happy that I beat you,
Yeah.
And
You're glad you came along today?
I'm just so happy that my first ever time was in that car. Oh, are they
So
gonna?
if you've watched any of my YouTube videos before,
Yes.
you'll know that the guest presenter does the sign out.
Okay, yeah. All right. So unfortunately, I didn't get to drive the Audi RS6, but it wasn't the end of the world because I got to drive this amazing Aston Martin Vantage. Guys, thank you so much for watching and experiencing my first ever VMAX 200, my first ever 180 miles per hour drive ever. Sorry, I'm just so ecstatic. I've got an adrenaline rush now. So yeah, make sure to click like, comment if you like the video, and share it, and subscribe, of course. So hopefully I'll be seeing you in another video. Peace out.